Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So on this channel it's all about binary strategies and forex strategy, so make sure to keep tuned, like, subscribe and share to your friends. So here I'm going to share any knowledge that I know, no premium group, no everything, but one thing I want you guys to do, kindly register using the link in my description, as I'm going to share 5 bots and also I'm going to share 5 ebooks that you can learn binary and also forex. After you have registered using the link, make sure to send me a text on Telegram. I'm going to leave a link in my description so that you can text me. After that, I'm going to share with you 5 ebooks and also 5 bots, and also you can join my group where you can chat with other traders and share anything that you want. So make sure you keep tuning until the end. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trade over 2 as a beginner manually without any bot. So make sure you keep tuning until the end. So what you need here is you need to come here to accumulators. Let's scroll until we find over. So I'm minimizing so that I can see over and under. So don't mind my computer. So as you can see here on my demo, I have 109, and don't worry, I usually blow my account so that I can be able to grow to practice my strategy. So make sure, if you are planning on depositing $5, deposit your blow your demo account up to $5, then start growing from there with care and also risk management, so that you can teach yourself, if it was your own money, how you can grow it. Because if you try practicing with 10,000, it usually show you like you earn more money, but maybe your capital is less than that. So let's get into it. So we are going to trade over 2. One thing to consider, we are going to consider number 0, 1 and 2. Also we are going to consider the most appearing digits. So for this one, according to my strategy, it can't do. So I'm going to look for another one which is going to meet all the. This one can't do. So let me go. So I'm back to 25. Also this one, it's not that bad, but I want to show you maybe the exact one that I'm going to show you. So I was trading with this one earlier. So let me check 100. So number one thing we need to consider is number 1 and 0. So between these two, you have to make sure you have to make sure one has more than 10% and then the other one has less than 10. So also number 2 should be below 11%. Also should be should be decreasing. So what you need to do here, as you can see here, it's 10.7. you have to wait until the cursor touches either 0 or 1. So like this one, you can see here it's decreasing, and this one it's increasing. So you just wait for the cursor to move to come here to 10.3. so when it comes here, you just need to click over. So let's time it. Here it is over. Oh, that's a loss. It has delayed a little bit. So that's one win. We have gone for a loss of 3. So to recover, you can use your own martingale. So as you can see, these one are almost the same. So you can go with the most least appearing, which is 0. As you can see, these one are competing, so we go to 0 or 1. So let's wait. 0. So we have recovered, so let's go back to 3. So this one is reducing. So this one is also much beginner friendly, and the good thing is you just need to go like 10 runs and then you're out of the market. It's so simple, guys. Over to, so let's say you want to stick with 1. Let me go back to 1. So we wait for it to touch 0 or 1. 1. So it's so much possible. So let's go back to 0.35. So you can target maybe $1 a day. Then after that, even with a stake of 0.35. So as you can see here, number 2 it's decreasing, and also these two, it's the least appearing. So let's wait it for the last one. Let's click over. So here we are with 118. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. So don't forget, 0 and 1 has to be at least 10%. Also number 2 has to be at least between or less than 11%. So make sure when the cursor touches either 0 or 1, you have to keep an eye on the one which is decreasing. When it touches that one, you just click over. So that's it for today, guys. Let's see you in my next video.